Our spring load cigarette display racks. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length, we have at least 2.5 inches. And the height, we're looking at 4.5 inches. The length and the height will remain the same for the 7, 9, 10, and 12 carton holders. The only differences are just the depth. The depth for the 12 carton, we have at least 12 3/4 inches. For the 10 carton, we have 11 1/4 inches. For the 9, we have 9 3/4 inches. And finally, for the 7 carton, at least 8 inches. Your choice of displaying the racks in a continuous row or can be stacked or set to any combination of your preference. Spring-loaded feature. So after the first carton is pulled, the inventory from the back will move forward to the front. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.